As part of DPS eServices, you are now able to apply online for e-permits. E-permits allows customers to submit an application, pay fees, and receive a permit online. These functions will vary with each permit type. Stay tuned as more features are developed. To access e-permits, go to the DPS webpage. Highlight the eServices tab and then select e-permits. If you are ready to submit an online application, click Apply Online. To submit your permit application electronically, complete the registration form. Once completed, this will create an e-permits account. Your login will be your email address. To use both e-permits and e-plans for permit applications, use the same email address for both systems. Once the account has been created, return to the Apply Online login page to begin. On the Apply Online main page, select the permit type. You may also search for permits and licenses previously applied for using the My Permits and Licenses box. To begin the application process, select the permit type for the application from the Apply for Permits and Licenses menu, then click Apply. Please carefully review the limitations and requirements for using Apply Online. Then select the applicant for the permit. Remember, some permit types have strict requirements on who may be the primary applicant. For example, residential building permits require that the applicant be the property owner or a Maryland licensed contractor. Sediment control permits require that the property owner be the primary applicant. You must also acknowledge that you have read any affidavits. To continue, click Start Application. On the application page, provide the location or address of the construction project and enter the applicant information. All fields that are marked with an asterisk must be completed. Applicants can be added in one of three ways. Use the Load My Info button to load the login user information. Use the Validate and Retrieve button to enter the DPS contact ID or license number of the applicant. If you don't know your contact ID or license number, you must contact DPS for that information. Finally, you may enter a full name, mailing address, and email address directly into the correct fields. Remember that all fields that are marked with an asterisk must be completed. Multiple applicants can be added, but only one primary applicant must be designated for each submission. Click the Check and Continue button to move to the next step. You must provide specifics about your project. Use code and work type and estimated construction costs are generally required for most permits. Different permit types may require additional information. Once you have entered all necessary permit information, click the Check and Continue button to move to the next step. When all the elements for the permit application are complete, you will move to the application summary page. Review the submission and make any corrections. Notes or comments to DPS may be added by using the Comments box. You must acknowledge that you have read all affidavits. The permit can be signed electronically by selecting the Final checkbox. You may also choose DPS e-plans for your plan review on this same page. Click on Agree and Submit. The permit will be created and a permit number will be generated. Filing fees can be paid by clicking on the Pay Application Filing Fee link. An email confirmation will be sent to the primary applicant and to DPS staff that the permit has been successfully created and/or paid for. Your permit will be screened by a DPS permit technician. If ePlans was selected for the plan review, then an email invitation will be sent to you to upload the drawings and documents for your project. This concludes this DPS e-permits video. Thank you for your time and attention. For more information on DPS e-permits and e-plans, please contact the Montgomery County Customer Service Center at 240-777-0311.